Here's a riddle. What wears glasses, holds a book, and stands in front of a class and teaches? Well, okay, it's not a very tough one, is it? Today I'm going to draw a school teacher, a female school teacher, and she has big, wide glasses on. She's trying to get the class's attention, obviously, and she's got the lesson plan in her arm. This drawing is supposed to look pretty realistic, so let's get the hair right and the dimensions of the face and the shoulders and the hands in the correct positions so it looks real. Here I go. Come and join me. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.